How to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail. Then you'll find search option at the top. Click on it and then type in from column and then write the email of whose you want to delete. Press on enter. And then you'll find all their mails. You'll find square shaped button which is select at the top left. Click on it. All the mails will be selected. Click on delete option at the top, which is like a bin icon. Simply click on it. After you click on that, your mails will be deleted. As you can see, there's no mail from this sender. And this is how to delete all mails from one sender in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for joining.